Hello, welcome back to the new video in my channel. This is the video about how I'm gonna fix my new vise. Well, not the new vise, but the new table former vise, not Miami vise. However, when it comes to drilling and sandblasting, you know the drill. Safety first. to grind this one a little bit. This one is actually under, so I will not even see it. But I'm still gonna paint it, but I want to fix the edges and stuff because they're really sharp underneath and different. So I just need to remove all the scrap and shit and oil and other stuff. Then I'm gonna take this to the job and clean this out so I get all the oil and dust and waste, so it's gonna be clean. Then I'm gonna repaint everything and so it suits my new table for it. But as you see, maybe you can see it. You see this sharp edge over there. There you can see it. I don't want to have that one, so I'm grinding it a little bit smoother. I will not take everything off because it's too deep, but it's gonna be still even better. And it's also going to be black painting, but this one is the underneath, so I'm still gonna attach this one, so they're only gonna see the top one anyway. So, but still part of the vise and gonna be clean. Alright, let's grind the next part. I changed to a new one, bigger one, because the other one a little bit smaller, so I hit the hook on the drill. So what I'm gonna do now is to grind that part. The bottom one are actually done as much as I can. Remove all the paint and some other stuff. So now it's just dark because of the metal. So I'm gonna take that to work tomorrow as everything else and put some chemicals like brake cleaner and stuff and try to really make it really clean. Then I'm gonna fix some paint and I'm gonna paint them. So this one is done. Now we're gonna go for this one. It's really heavy, as you see. It's a lot of paint and original blue paint. This is the top. There's a lot of white dripping paints. This is the underside. I'm just gonna clean that one. This is the front. It's really heavy. And this one I'm gonna clean, but I'm gonna clean it before I do some grinding on it because I need to get all the way the oil and stuff. This one come with me to work tomorrow. And some updates on the button screws. As I said, they are just to fix them. They are actually under here, so they will not even been shown, you know, but I still want to have them fixed because it's slide better, and they're also gonna get some painting. So yep, let's go guys, the next grinding. Alright, it took some time, but now I'm finally done to just clean everything up with the brush. So these two are connected together, these three are connected together, and these are the bottom one under that one. You untie this one and tie this one, which means you can twist the device about 90 degrees. So this is the center one, the bottom one. I've been doing some cleaning at the edges, so everything's got no sharp edges. I don't want to go too much rough on this one, because this one is old vintage. It's from the beginning of the 80s. So I will keep the rough, you know, the rough ends on this one, because I do like it. It's still functional, and this is real iron, so it cannot rust that easy. So this part will go into that part, and that's the spring and the thing that's move that part from it. So it's gonna be under that, and slide it into this one, and use that one to, you know, fix the size. So as you see, it's a really rough material. This is not shred, this is not, you know, pure iron. This is not, you're not toying with this one. This is really heavy and really old and really robust, you know. It's really nice. I want to keep actually the main part. The only thing I did was I did it a little bit longer on this one. That's because it was really sharp places. And as the same here, this is really sharp. Let's see if I can get everything. You see, it's like a razor blade over here. So that one I will grind down so it's smooth. But otherwise, you see it, everything is, you know, someone has used a hammer or something to lock it or unlock it. That's the same one with the small one. This was really heavy. You see, it's really bended. There's gonna be bananas on that one, but I did some extra. That's because of the top of it. But you will still see the. Well, come on, cooperate. See all this everything's gonna be painted anyway, so this part will not even move, but still gonna be there. So this one gonna be on there, and this hole will be this side. So I have to try this one, and I have to do this one, and I can twist it. Why I know the parts are different? That's because this one is flat on the top. You see, it's really, a little bit rounded, and this one has a really sharp tip. That's because it's inside there. So that's why I know the difference, because I saw it when I took everything apart. It took some time before I actually figure out how to take away this one from this one, because they are like that. And you see the hole. You have to put this spring in there, and you have to have the washer there, and then this one. So what I have to do is I have to get some small winding in the edges, so I get this one. Slide up and down, push everything out. So I'm gonna squeeze it like that, put it in, and So now tomorrow I will, not tomorrow, it depends when I do the video, but I will take this to my work and put some cleaning on that, some brake cleaning or whatever I want them to use to make everything even, so every rust and dust, oil and whatever this is on. You see my fingers are really messy. Complete clean. Then I'm gonna paint it, and this one I'm gonna be on my top new bench. My friend and I are gonna build. Stay tuned. Finish my painting of white, and I know some paint will get off because some parts are very well used. The handle, sliding all the way forward and front, but I know that's going to and then the sliding going front and back like that, I know that on top of it gonna be probably some scratch off, but in the meantime everything else will be nice. If I want to do more just easy restoring, I just do this one. Hammerite metal paint smooth black, right? So I just put on and let it dry and look like brand new again. So, are you ready to see the changing? Right? Black, that's my part. Black beauty. As I said, I know this part will be fresh hot because I'm gonna slide it front and back. Also this part here, and, yeah, give it some new oil to spring under it. And it's really heavy. Oops. Okay, I still have my palette under it because I have not built my table then. That this vise is gonna be on, as I told you. It's gonna take some time, probably maybe this Sunday or maybe under the week, I don't know. This black thing will be on top of it. Then I'm gonna get some plastic magnetic stuff here, so when I do this nice thing, I don't want to use the rubber thing to erase any bad marks or it's plastic. I don't know yet, but well, if you look at the video, you remember it was like browny and there was paint everywhere. The paint was running here. This side was also some painting, so even this one was, like I said, you untouch this one and you untouch this one and you can twist it, but I don't have to do it, so just screw there, there and there. It's gonna be attached. If I want to twist everything, I will probably twist the whole table, and the table will be about with the vise probably up here somewhere. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you another thing before I end this video. So this come today. I wanted actually to wait before I actually film it, but I can't wait. I still have waiting for my order. But what come today? Were actually the kind of wanted on first, but this Sunday needs some bonus. Sunday needs some extra stickers. These are nice cool. This stand quite COVID and it's like a sock. So these are actually stickers. Off. So thank you for your order. We love you. Please stay safe. And this is the sticker app. So, but now, this is the part I'd like to show you. Monday or Tuesday, no, probably Tuesday, I think. But at least Wednesday, I get the other one. But here it is. Oh no, sorry, this was wrong. No, here it is. Show you. This is the sticker I want to have on my car. Of course, I need some promotion for myself. I got few extra. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 of them are gonna be on my car. Maybe I have some extra if I need to change it, or someone want to have it here in this one of my family or something. So this arrived today. Trying to take some photos. You can take a photo while you're... Okay, maybe come there. However, next week my other stickers will come, and those the stickers I will send out. But if you really want one of those, maybe I can make some good arrangement, but this is just PR for myself. So, but the other one are probably gonna be a lot better and a lot nicer. What do you think?